In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall games in Ubisoft. So if you had installed games using Ubisoft platform and you wish to uninstall any, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your account, then go to library. Here you'll see all the games that you have already installed on Ubisoft. To uninstall, for instance, I want to uninstall this. Go ahead and just click on these more options, and under this go to manage. Then you should see uninstall. To remove it completely, go ahead and tap on uninstall and then confirm by tapping on OK. And as you can see, an installation is on. Go ahead and tap on OK. And finally, you can see the game has been uninstalled successfully. Finally, go ahead and close. So that's how you can successfully uninstall games from Ubisoft. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.